The machine adopts Italian CNC control system with RTCP function. It achieves 5-axis linkage operation. It supports camera positioning, vacuum lifter moving slabs, slab thickness measuring, automatic tool setting, CAD import, automatic typesetting, and optional CAM and other subsequent processing. The software integrates cutting, milling, drilling, and engraving functions to achieve a variety of complex, special-shaped surfaces with one-click automatic processing.